Let's explore the typical enterprise collaboration and the flow of information within the system using Boardwalk. At the core of the system, a set of Boardwalk cuboids store all the data required by an application. To illustrate, consider the data flow within a sales organization. In this example, there are two sales representatives, Marks and Smith, who track their sales data in their respective workbooks. Both Marks and Smith utilize worksheets with the same format, having access only to their individual work slices. Common data from their worksheets is transmitted to the Boardwalk cuboid. Notably, Smith's worksheet includes a few additional columns for local tracking purposes, which are not sent to the Boardwalk database. Marks and Smith report to a sales VP who has the capability to review both sets of data. Boardwalk automatically consolidates their data into the sales VP's workbook, providing a comprehensive view of sales activity. The sales VP's worksheet may be configured to display only specific columns that interest him, i.e., his work slice is a subset of the sales representative's work slices but has the rows for both Marks and Smith. Product managers within the organization focus solely on information related to the products they oversee, including units sold, list prices, and average sales prices. Their work slice differs from the sales VP's slice but shares some common data. The operations VP may analyze a distinct subset of data, that is aggregated sales data, and combines some other operational information. Imagine we've reached a stage where our application is constructed with the Boardwalk software and successfully deployed. Now, we need to understand how users will access and work with this application. For illustration, we'll explore Excel in browser mode. This means that, akin to how closing the browser doesn't leave residual data on the desktop, closing Excel similarly doesn't retain the file on your desktop. We will now explore how the user interacts with a Boardwalk application. Within the Boardwalk Velocity Ledger, a comprehensive repository of deployed applications exists in the form of a gold copy. These applications are systematically organized based on their respective categories and the roles authorized to access them. Users are provided with a URL, login ID, and password to a portal, enabling them to download the application aligned with their designated role permissions. In certain implementations, the login process seamlessly integrates with the organization's single sign-on capabilities. This streamlined approach allows users to access the given portal using a unified authentication mechanism, enabling convenience and security with the Boardwalk Velocity portal. Using the portal provided, users start by logging into the portal. On successful authentication, users gain access to a list of applications within their permission scope. Subsequently, they can select the desired application, click to initiate the download of the gold copy from the portal, and save it to their local system. Users then open this saved user copy of the application. Please note that there is no data in the downloaded Excel file, it is a blank copy of the application. We will reference this as the user shell template. Upon opening the user shell template on their system, users can initiate the download function through a menu option. This action triggers a request to the Velocity Ledger to retrieve what is referred to as the template's manifest. The manifest serves as a guide outlining which cuboids need to be fetched from the Velocity Ledger and how to integrate them into the template. Essentially, it acts as a roadmap for the template, specifying the necessary data and its placement within the Excel template. Once the manifest is loaded into the user shell template, the template begins the process of extracting data from the Velocity Ledger and populating the user's Excel workbook. It's noteworthy that each application gold copy is associated with its own manifest, ensuring a managed approach to data extraction and integration into the user's template. In our example scenario, the manifest specifies that the 3 cuboids related to process A should be downloaded. The population of the user's shell template commences at this point, with each cuboid being link imported into its corresponding sheets. As this process unfolds, the user's template gets filled with data and formulas sourced from the ledger, and the formatting is applied according to the modeler's design. The gold copy of the template is equipped with macros, including both standard Boardwalk functionality and potentially process-specific macros. These macros are available in the user copy of the template too and are active and play a crucial role in managing the data within the template, facilitating efficient and tailored operations based on the designated processes. With their personalized copy of the application data, users have the flexibility to work, make modifications, and submit their updates to the ledger. Fellow users of the application can then refresh their workbooks to observe these changes. Simultaneously, additional users are engaged in making their own alterations and submitting them to the server. This collaborative environment allows each user to refresh the cuboids in their workbooks, ensuring they can seamlessly view the modifications made by others in their respective workbooks. This iterative process facilitates efficient collaboration and real-time updates across all users of the application.